Now it is 2 years in this house, like just three of us. Like the day we shifted, I was almost in tears. So this was a real dream come true. This is really special for both of us. This is our first investment, the space I wanted, the space I call mine. I call my home. We shifted to Cochin. While looking for a house, we found this place and we really liked it. So it's almost 5 years we are in Noel Green Nature. This community was everything for us because this became our family. Since both of us were doctors, we were working, and for our daughter, she was very young. We wanted her to have friends around. For us, we wanted to live in an apartment so she can socialize around and all. So this just felt like a second home to us, like immediate, this was an instant emotion.
When Sonia and Deepu came to us, they had just bought this apartment. When they bought it, it was almost 10 plus years old. So that is why this entire renovation thing came up. But they were not sure whether they would be able to finance the whole thing. And I was always clear that if you want to do something, you have to minimum do all the common spaces, the kitchen and the entrance foyer. So the entrance foyer, it's quite atypical of an apartment complex, wherein apartment complexes are more about just closed, like 4 rooms and that's it, right? This, I have not seen a lot of layouts like these apartments. And that gave us the initial idea of how you could conceptualize the interiors. So I would say that I think 1500 is the area of this which they sell.
Actually, we haven't made much changes to it. It is only that we have divided the living and the family room. Rest the layout, we have maintained it. Like I always wanted that earthy, rustic, more than this modernized. This was the preference of mine. We have a balcony connected with the family room also. And when it is a rainy day or some, just open the balcony, and when you just sit around, that positivity you get from that, you really don't feel enclosed. That's one thing I really get from the house.
In this case, we have used kota flooring, which is kind of a greenish grey. It actually gives the main color theme of the house. And of course, wood. It is timeless. It is something that we are comfortable with. It ages really well, even when it is not polished. And that is the reason that we choose these materials that age really well.
Renovation inside an apartment is going to be very tough because your neighbors are going to complain because of the. It's not like doing a construction in a isolated place or like. So it is like you have neighbors around. So about the dust, noise, the work time goes on from 9 to 5. Everything that comes to you, everything that hits on you, like maybe the dust falling down, everything. So it is only like the only thing is like just when you're building a house, just have patience. Just hold on to it.
A design language, philosophy and language-wise, they were always in sync. So that is something that was very good for us because we could design very quickly for them also. And also this project we wrapped up in 8 months. I talk about restraint all the time. I say that design needs restraint because you can do hundreds of things. If you look at any website and ask for options, even AI for that matter, AI will give you 10 options of one space. Is that right for you? We don't know. So restraint is basically a selection. And I feel it's a very, very tough thing to do in this generation of us where we are bombarded with information. There are so many options. As architects, our job is to limit these options.
I truly enjoyed the 8-month journey. Yeah, there was days like you really lose your temper, but the 8-month journey was really like you were just waiting every day. Okay, what is the end product? How would it turn out to be? There's no day of repentance. Every day we enjoy. Like I see my daughter grow with all the kids here. I never trusted myself. I could put so much of effort into it. That's only because of his support. And just trust your architect. Just go with your architect's vision. So this was a real dream come true.